We've all experienced it. You launch your website, someone submits a message through your web form, and it turns out to be spam with nothing to do with your business. With our spam protection system, you can have AI automatically scan each incoming message. If the system determines that a message is spam, it will not be forwarded to your email. Additionally, if you receive text alerts for new submissions, those alerts will not be triggered for spam messages, helping you conserve your text message tokens. If your website is receiving unwanted spam through its web forms, scroll to the bottom of your website and click the Login link. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, open the menu in the upper right corner and select Billing. Scroll down to the Web Form Spam Protection Credit Balance section. This feature requires credits to operate. Each time the AI scans a message, 1 credit is used. Credits can be purchased in increments of 500, 1,000, or 3,000. Select your desired amount, enter your payment details, and click Submit Payment. Once your payment is processed, your credit balance will be updated immediately. If this is your first time purchasing credits, your webmaster will be notified to enable the spam protection feature on your web form. You will receive a confirmation email once the update has been completed. You can also configure low balance alerts for your spam protection credits. To do this, go to the Configuration menu and select Settings, then click on Settings Manager. Search for the setting named Spam Protection Credit Balance Alert. From there, you can choose the balance threshold at which you would like to receive a notification. When your balance reaches this level, you will receive a courtesy email and SMS alert. If you prefer not to receive these notifications, select Off.